girls, I'm Stephanie, Sister Moon's oldest daughter. She asked me to videotape a little segment about me and Parker. This is Parker, and Parker. My first son and Sister Moon's first grandson. She asked me to clip a little segment on the value of raising my Heavenly Father's children and what a blessing it is. You guys just saw the little video clip of his birth and his journey on this life, or in this life so far. And I can just tell you, he is the sweetest little spirit and the greatest blessing. Oh, sorry, I didn't plan on doing this. The greatest blessing to my life and to me and my husband's life, Steve. Just living these past few months, up until I actually had him, I don't think I actually realized the importance of motherhood and the influence that we have as mothers, and how that's the most important thing we can do in this life. My husband doesn't turn to me and congratulate me or compliment me on how great of a nurse I am or how great of a friend I am to others. He truly sees the importance of being a great mother, and that's the sweetest blessing ever. The joy that this little one brings into our home is amazing, and I can feel his spirit. I can feel that he was just with our Heavenly Father a few months ago, and he's brought a little piece of that heaven into our lives. And I know that motherhood is the greatest calling. I'm excited for you girls to be mothers one day. It's a journey, and it's wonderful, and it's amazing, and it has taught me a lot about charity, and I've tried to cultivate that more as being a mother. It's the quality that I think is the most important, and I think motherhood enables us to develop charity the most easiest way. Motherhood's awesome. He's my favorite person besides my husband, and I wouldn't have it any other way. And I encourage you guys to look to your mothers and other mothers around you for the qualities that they have and for the good that they've done and for the love that they have for you. I mean, feeling the love that I have for him, like, you have to know that your mothers love you as well. So enjoy the rest of the lesson.